LYAFS can provide 3D printing rapid testing service for users. You can contact us through online or offline ways. After receiving the product order, we will first analyze the product data according to your requirement. Next, we will design the testing process for the product, including the sand design and the selection of the printing material process. Highly difficult testings will be optimized by CAE simulation software for the process. After the preparation before printing, such as mixing, loading and data importing, printing of the foundry sand model by LYAFS 3DP sand printer. 3DP sand printing achieves modulus and precision integrated molding, replacing the mold making and casting manufacturing links in traditional casting production, saving the cost and time of mold opening and repair. Movable forming cylinder design makes it easier to pick up parts. After powder clearing the sand, you can see that the sand printed with our 3DP sand printer has good dimensional accuracy, high strength, low air emission, and excellent surface quality. Before casting, the sand is also treated with coating, drying, assembling model, melting and testing to ensure a better casting quality. Different casting processes can be used according to customer requirements. After the model casting is completed, post-treatment such as branding, heat treatment, shot blasting and machining are carried out, and the finished parts are manufactured after passing the quality inspection. After confirming the product delivery status and delivery time with the customer, then to deliver. LYAFS is a provider of 3D printing equipment and manufacturing services.